And the race on. Bliss Bling Bling outlasting. Out of the gate, racing on the outside is Bondi Junction. Miss Bling Bling by Anek. Bondi Junction in second. And racing in third by about 2 lengths, Lambing Pinay, Podolski, My Hermes. Vermont racing in 6th position. 7 belongs to Dragon May. And moving up by the rails, Grey Caviar, then comes for Pabor. And as they race the last 550, Bliss Bling Bling, Bondi Junction measuring each other's strength. Then here comes Lambing Pinay, barreling Danori inside, and Podolski as they race the last 300. Lambing Pinay, Miss Bling Bling on the outside, and Podolski, Bondi Junction. Lambing Pinay, Miss Bling Bling on the outside, but still Lambing Pinay about 3 lengths, and finally Lambing Pinay second. Miss Bling Bling, My Hermes close, Podolski, Vermont, Bondi Junction.